If you're tired of sending 50 messages just to figure out when everyone is free, this website might save you a lot of time. Today, we're looking at When2meet, one of the simplest scheduling tools on the internet, and even in 2026, people are still using it to organize meetings, study sessions, group projects, gaming events, and more. The idea is incredibly simple. You go to when2meet.com, create a new event, choose the dates and times you want people to pick from, and then share the link with your group. Everyone marks the times they're available, and the website highlights the slots where schedules overlap. Instead of scrolling through a chaotic group chat, you instantly get a visual view of when the group can meet. One of the biggest reasons people still use When2meet is that it doesn't require an account. Nobody has to sign up, download an app, or connect anything. You just create the event, send the link, and start collecting responses. Another useful feature is the visual availability grid, which many users say is still one of the easiest ways to compare schedules. The website also supports different time zones, which helps when people are joining from different locations. But while the simplicity is a huge advantage, it's also where some of the complaints begin. A lot of users feel the website looks outdated compared to modern scheduling tools. The mobile experience is another common criticism because selecting times on a phone can feel awkward. There is also no built-in Google Calendar integration, no automatic reminders, and no advanced scheduling features that professionals might expect in 2026. Some users on Reddit even built alternative apps because they loved the core idea of When2meet, but wanted a cleaner design and better mobile support. Still, many people continue using When2meet because it focuses on one job and does it well. If you just need to find a meeting time quickly without creating accounts or learning a new platform, it's hard to beat how fast this tool is. My honest opinion is that When2meet feels old, but it remains surprisingly useful. It's not the most modern scheduling platform, and it definitely has limitations, but for students, friend groups, clubs, and small teams, it can still save a lot of time. If you want something simple and free, it's worth trying. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe for more website tutorials, and let me know in the comments what tool you want me to review next.